I call BS on Trump's latest junk. He says he would go back into a school with no gun to confront a shooter. BS. He's the cowardly lion. Trump, the bone spur cadet, got 5 draft deferments. He wouldn't protect you from anything. He's the worst ever. In immigration, he blames the Democrats. He said months ago he would sign any bill that was given to him on immigration on DACA, and they brought him 2 or 3 bills and he won't sign anything. He is the big BSer. BS. I call BS.